Is Virat Kohli the best batsman in cricket history? Let's discuss. Well, I'll say a yes. The guy is more consistent than normal people like you and me can spell the word consistent. He has got an impressive range of shots for every occasion, and the manner in which he can change gears is awe inspiring. Even the best of batsmen in world cricket struggle to do so in tricky situations and unfriendly pitches. Arguably, there are many players who can qualify for the tag of best batsman in cricket history. But for sheer impact and the ability to turn a game consistently throughout his career, Virat Kohli stands head and shoulders above any other player in the history of the game. For someone who has followed him closely, I can safely say he is not a born genius like a Sachin Tendulkar. But, and this is a big but, he knows his limitations and exercises a remarkable level of self control to play within his zone. And the most amazing part is, he can play that way innings after innings. And that for me is an incredible lesson in developing a plan and following it every single time you are in office. That is what is called reaching the Zen level of discipline. There is no magic, no mystery, simple dedication to his craft, recognizing his strength and acceptance of his weaknesses, and the discipline to stick to a game plan, game after game after game. Although he may seem like a flamboyant and happy go lucky guy, there is a steely resolve behind those intense eyes, and that shows every time he gets out. Every single time. He's always disappointed with himself whenever he gets out. That, in my mind, is the hallmark of a true leader. He expects the most from himself and the same razor sharp commitment from his team. Martin Crowe, New Zealand's greatest batsman, had this to say about Virat. He exudes the intensity of Dravid, the audacity of Sehwag, and the extraordinary range of Tendulkar. That makes him one of his own kind. Unique. Not better, just unique. And I agree 100%. Virat Kohli is not better than anyone. He is the only one in his league. If you know the man, you will agree that his remarkable batting records are a testimony of his hard work and his unbelievable discipline. Let's take a look at what he has accomplished in the short time he has played. In 86 test matches, he has scored 7,240 runs at a great average of 53.63. with 27 hundreds and 22 50s and a top score of 254. While there are other contemporary players, especially Steve Smith, who have scored more prolifically and with a better average than Virat in tests, it is his records in limited overs internationals that catapults Virat towards being the best batsman in the world. In 248 one-day internationals, he has scored an incredible 11,867 runs at an astonishing average of 59.34. with 43 hundreds, 58 50s, and a best score of 183. In international T20 cricket, his 2794 runs in 82 matches came at an average of 50.80. For context, only a single batsman in the top 50 T20 internationals has an average of more than 50. And incidentally, that player is being touted as another Kohli in the making, Babar Azam of Pakistan. I would love to analyze Babar Azam's records and batting. Let me know in comments if you would like me to create a video for probably the best current Pakistani batsman. Please keep your comments civil. I have a very low threshold for trolls and unparliamentary language and shall remove those comments that I feel are inappropriate from my channel. It will be great if you subscribe to the channel, for I will be posting regular video analysis about great players and also introduce you to IPL 2020 in UAE. For now, have a great day ahead. Watch a few Virat Kohli gems and relive the magic.